Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the clip closely to identify a broken hinge, misaligned teeth, or a bent spring. Once done, gather small pliers, a tiny flathead, a needle file, and 400-600 grit sandpaper so you can reshape without removing finish. Make sure to work on a clean towel to catch tiny parts and keep the clip secured between fingers or in a padded vise. This prevents further bending while you begin the first corrective adjustments. Next, focus on the damaged elements. Use the pliers to nudge bent teeth back so they meet evenly and grip hair. Small, controlled taps work better than force. Once the teeth align, compress the hinge slightly to restore tension, and if a small internal spring is missing, replace it with a short piece of thin wire shaped to match. After mechanical fixes, file any burrs and sand sharp edges so the clip closes smoothly and won't pull hair. Finally, test the clip on a small section of hair to confirm a secure, snag-free hold and a smooth open-close action. Adjust tension if it slips. Once satisfied, wipe clean and apply a thin coat of clear lacquer to exposed metal to prevent rust and improve durability. If the clip still fails, make sure you re-inspect hinge alignment and tooth spacing. If the base is warped, replacing that component or swapping to a new clip base is often faster and more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.